Okay, I'm gonna make this quick video for you guys explaining a little crash course in aweber. This one's gonna talk about adding emails once you have your list. So of course you create your list and then you go to messages, create message, drag and drop. I always do the drag and drop. That's how I put pictures in, put buttons in. You can play around with it on the left. Um, so let's build an email real quick, and I'll add it to mine. So I have my email templates. Okay, so this is one of the templates. This looks nice. This looks nice. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to take it back to aweber. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to go ahead and make the size, a little trick, make the size 24 and send it back. Send it back. I don't know. Change it up a little. It looks like there's some spelling errors. Always put spaces. Always put spaces in between each thing. Just easier for people to read. So this is what I do for all my emails. I just go through. So that's going to be a hyperlink. So I'll go here, and at the top you'll see this little link right here. You highlight what you wanted to highlight, what you want to make a hyperlink. Then when you click this link, of course, put in your website or whatever you have. Keep adding the spaces, blah blah blah. It's the devil is in the details. Keep going. This part's boring, I know. Alright, so then this one's a hyperlink as well. Highlight it. Go to hyperlink. You want to test all the links later. Alright, let's see. Alright, so that's obviously the subject. Put the subject here. So that's perfect email. I'm gonna double check my hyperlink real quick. Roderick Allred at Webley. Yep. Double check this hyperlink, and I would recommend sending a preview and testing it, and testing out the links, of course, before you send them out. So I do preview test. Send test, so I'll check my phone real quick. Boom. So I want to make sure I go through and test both links. You don't want to, send them to the wrong link. That would be horrible. Alright, link 1 works. Alright, looks like both are working. Okay, so you always want to test your links. Let me go back. So everything looks good. Save and exit. Now here's the next part. That doesn't mean it's over. It's going to go to your draft section, where you can you can send it to another list if you want. Like if you have an MCA one, if you have your specified team one, you want to send it. Any list that you have, you can send it for that one. But what we need to do now is go to send options, add to follow-up series. You want to make sure these top 2 are clicked. You want to track clicks on website links in this message, and you want to send messages based on subscribers' local time. And you want to make sure you go up to edit right there, and you bring this all the way over to 8. And you want all these selected. You want it to be one day after the previous. Now the one I'm showing you now is for all emails after the first one you do. The first one you do is going to be set to immediately upon the person subscribing, so it'll be automatically ready to go. But anything after that, you're going to want to set to any day starting at 8 p.m. and make sure these top 2 are clicked. You want to send it based on their local time. That's very important. And you always want to send it one day after the previous. So add to follow-up series. Boom. So if you go down to the bottom, you will see right there, there it is. So I added this one to earlier, and I added this one today as well. So this one will happen tonight at 8 p.m. This one happened tomorrow night at 8 p.m. for all the people. It just keeps adding. You can just keep adding emails forever. So email automation is very important. So that's how you add an email in aweber. Hope that helped a lot.